We are still venerating the military. This is Tom Ayrton speaking to you from the museum. And of course, this time we venerate the female army, okay? Women who obviously were the army, but not only that, they also worked very hard in heavy industry. And in fact, the sign here says, "Hold up your end, Cuban women," like they didn't, right? Holding up your end. In fact, I thought I was very clever writing this. This is from 1963. That means Cuban Revolution was about 4 years old. And it says here, in thriftiness, at work, in a defense, shore up the revolution. It's telling them what to do. What it's not telling them to do is the continuation, which is, and I thought that was so funny, the poster exhorts the Cuban women to hold their own as equal to men, to do their part in fighting and working, in addition to cooking, doing laundry, waiting in long lines, shopping, attending Fidel's long speeches, and they went like 5 or 6 hours, tending children and tending their husbands. They did that too, in addition to fighting the war and holding up their end. So I would say the women were more than equal to men. And that's the story of all the women in socialist countries, okay? They work so hard, and they do laundry and cook and tend children and do all the other stuff. It's really unfair, but that's the way it is. It was actually capitalism that freed the women to a great part. So let's be thankful for that.